After that you have exponential phase. Log exponential phase. What is that? It's also when the growth rate of a population increases over time as all requirements are in super abundance. Abundance means in a large quantity. Got it? So they're saying that it is a growth rate when the population is increasing. When the number of population is increasing, at that time, time is known as log exponential phase. And why it happens when all the requirement, for example, if you talk about human population, what is the requirement for that? Good food, good health conditions. Okay, so if all these are available, you will find there is a large growth in the population. So that's, and it can also applies to the other animals, but in this chapter when we are talking about human population, so our main focus will be on human population, not on other organisms. So but these terms can be used for other organisms, so that I'm telling you. So log exponential phase mean when the people are getting everything whatever they need, and in a super abundance means in a very large quantity. Whatever they need, they have more than enough. They have extra food, they have very hygienic conditions, they have all the facilities. So at that time the growth rate will increase. So that is known as log exponential phase. Is it clear?